So today, we're gonna learn the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for apple. Eat an apple a day to keep the bad stuff away. B is for ball. I kick the ball all day long. C is for cat. Cats love to be pet. D is for dog. Dogs love to go for walks. E is for elephant. An elephant never forgets. F is for fish. Look at the fish in the sea. G is for giraffe. The giraffe is so tall, he can touch the sky. H is for hat. Hats keep the sun out of your eyes. I is for ice cream. I like to get ice cream with my family. J is for juice. Juice is healthy for you. K is for kite. Fly a kite on a windy day. L is for lion. The lion roars. I'm the king of the jungle. M is for monkey. Monkeys love bananas. N is for nose. I use my nose to smell. O is for orange. An orange has lots of nutrients. P is for penguin. The penguin waddles in the snow. Q is for queen. The queen wears a crown. R is for rainbow. Look at the beautiful rainbow in the sky. S is for sun. The sun shines bright every morning. T is for tiger. The tiger roars as he walks through the jungle. U is for umbrella. Take an umbrella when it rains. V is for violin. Play the violin so sweetly. W is for whale. The whale jumps out of the water. X is for xylophone. Play the xylophone and let's make some noise. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yos go up and down. Z is for zebra. A zebra has black and white stripes. We did it. Let's say them all together. A, B, C, all the way to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, you did an amazing job learning the ABCs today. Let's say them one more time. A, B, C, all the way to Z. Great work. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time.